I grew up in Chinatown, so that's why even when I moved away from Chinatown, my heart is still in Chinatown. Hi, my name is Jennifer. I'm the head of Street Light Up for the Chinatown Festival Organizing Committee. This year, for 2021, the theme is a celebration of tradition. So this year, we work with the NAFA students. So when we talk about celebrating tradition, so we thought that we must honor the wise. In Chinese, we call it 敬老尊贤. And harmony is definitely something that each family should have. And of course, lastly, happiness is for everybody. So that's why these are the three main themes that we have for this year's Light Up. A total about 900 lanterns this time round. Yeah, it's spreading across New Bridge Road, South Bridge Road and Yu Tong Sing Street. We have about approximately 70 people working with us on this project. Because of the COVID situation, we sort of add in more lead time. We still started out about 6 months before the actual light up. This year we add in an additional 2 to 3 weeks of lead time because of the shipment. So we are a bit concerned that there might be this shipment issue, the weather issue and things like that. So I think the most satisfaction thing is being able to share this traditional festival with everybody, celebrating such an important traditional cultural festival. I think that's one of the most satisfying things.